swift, relentless fury faced. Their mightiest arms we set at naught, their insolence and pride abased. On all men's minds we set thy seal. Thy tawhids firm and sure impressed, the self-same message preached our lips when swords danced high in battle's stress. Declare thou whose fierce valor once did Khyber's barriers overthrow, or whose resistless might once laid famed Caesar's proudest cities low, who smashed to dust man's hand-wrought gods, those things of straw and earth and clay, and who did unbelieving hosts to spread thy name and glory slay. And who was it that quenched and cooled the fiery urns of fair Iran, thy holy Kaaba's hallowed shrine, whose bosoms